Hi all, I am Roop Darak, founder director A&I Magazine Hyderabad. For today's podcast session, we have an aspiring designer, Sonia Singla from Elevate Designs. Hi Sonia, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you, Roop?
I am doing great. First of all, I would like to thank you for taking out the time in your busy schedule and giving us time for the podcast session.
No, pleasure is all mine.
And we are lucky enough to feature your site in coming edition,
Thank
our
you.
8th edition.
No, it's our pleasure.
No, see, we are into magazine. We need content. You need a platform to publish your work.
Yes.
But it's so nice that an aspiring designer who's doing a great work in just a span of 6-7 years and get a chance to feature in a magazine. And the motto of our magazine was to give a platform to the aspiring designer. That was the major concern, and it feels so good to feature your site. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So most important is I would like to know about your journey, Sonia. How was your journey? How it started? Interior designing.
Yes. So basically, I am a BTech in IT. But when I was in that, when I was doing my engineering, I was never interested in that. I realized that, I coding, मुझे समझ नहीं आती थी. But then I realized I was more on the creative side. At that point of time, I was clueless what to do. After then, I realized, okay, I'm more into, interior designing, and I worked with few brands. But there, what I realized that they come with a commercial mindset. For them, number of sites, profit margins, all these things matters. For me, like, I'm more of an emotional person, and I like to connect with my clients emotionally, because right now also when we realize that I cannot put high quality there in the projects, and the personality of the client is not being reflected. It's all a very standard process. The chances of customizations are very less. So then I started my own firm, Elevate Interiors, and the tagline is that elevate your expectations.
Great.
And you should elevate your expectations when you are going ahead with us. So what is our working pattern is that our main focus is high quality, premium quality. If someone says that okay, our budget is less, see, every I would say budget is respectable. However, I will not come down with the quality of the products. I use only premium quality materials. That is one thing, because we don't want client to be in this thing. First you use low quality materials and then they should run for after sale services. That is not how it works. You should give a work which will not go anywhere for 20-25 years. Okay, so the quality is main thing, and on side by side, the space utilization, color combinations, and functionality, utility, and the personality of the client should reflect in the project. Basically, it's not like कि आपका neighbor का personality है या फिर लोगों की personality. Your personality should reflect in your client.
True.
Because as a designer, in the same community also, we get so many projects where we get the same layouts, but if you see the output, it looks like a completely different house. So why? Because people have different choices, they have different lifestyles. So I basically like to work on a very personal level with my clients. I like to connect with them. I like to know their lifestyle, what are their likes, what they're, what they do not like, and how they want to, utilize the space basically, and how many members are going to stay there, for how long they are going to stay in that house. So based on all this information, I try to give them best of the ideas based on their requirements. And when the final outcome comes, so it is very beautiful, to be very honest. And see, rather than like, if we are talking about the process of working, apart from that, there is one more thing that is very important, is a very healthy environment, right?
True.
The whole process should be healthy and happy. I mean, there should be not any kind of torture to the client, that they are because once you're using premium quality materials, on top of that, you are trying to bring their personality out and trying to reflect it in their house. So that is something where client is very satisfied.
True.
And at every step, I'm connected with my clients like throughout the journey, and I help my clients in all the selections. Like, I don't leave them in between. Okay, our work is done. So the interior designing means the complete project. So we help them out in all the selections, be it like, their curtains, their fancy lights, their artifacts, even the whatever comes in scope of interior designing. And it's kind of, we develop a relationship which is kind of lifelong relationship.
That is very important.
Yes, where at any point of time, if they contact us, Sonia, I need this help, or I need to change this thing, like I'm there to help them out. So they become a part of, our Elevate family. So that's how I like to work. Because
That's
there
so
are,
nice.
thank you. Because there's like many players in the market who are working on a commercial basis. These days, people are finding people, interior designers who can work on the personal level, understand their needs, and then deliver the best.
True.
And the quality should also be high, because nobody wants a cheap quality.
True.
But yes, and the people who understand quality, like, they obviously come to us because they understand that what's the value of using high and premium quality products.
True.
For me, if you're spending, for example, any amount, 20 lakhs on a bad quality product, right? And if you are spending 25 to 30 lakhs on a good quality, product or the overall project, for me, that 25 to 30 lakhs will give you long time,
True.
value and happiness. And for me, that 20 lakhs is a waste.
100%. If you're not satisfied with the
Yes,
complete
yes.
project, then it is waste.
Yes,
Very
because the
true.
quality comes down overall.
True.
So for me, my values are like, from the, like in my childhood also, my father used to say ki sasta roe,
Yeah, sasta roe bar bar, mehenga roe ek
mehenga
bar.
roe ek bar.
Very true.
So I'm brought up like that. And in my personal life also, whatever, I'll wait for, I'll wait to purchase something, but I'll purchase whatever I want.
The best available
yes,
thing.
Yes, best
True.
available thing. So these are the things, these are my basic qualities that goes into my business. And then I realized, okay, these are the things that, where all of my qualities, can work. Like, the emotional quotient, where you can connect with people emotionally, where you understand their requirements and all that. So I found this field is the best field for me, where I can,
100%.
Contribute all my qualities and, can get happy clients.
Very true.
And one more thing, see, everybody is earning, right? Nobody is working for free. But my belief is that you don't have to focus on that profit. Anyways, you're going to get that. What my focus is personally is the, that my client should give me blessings. I mean,
100%.
at the end of the day, they should be that satisfied with the outcome, that they should end up giving me blessings, that Sonia, you have done a very good job, and they, we love our house. So that is the thing that, keeps me going.
Basically, that is the
Yes.
true earning for you.
Yes, yes.
Other
yes.
than monetary terms, the true earning is the client should be satisfied,
Yes,
and
yes.
you should be there in their blessings.
Yes, and
Very
to be
true.
very honest, obviously, when a happy client, is
Yeah.
there, then your business will expand by
True,
word of mouth
in-
also.
yes.
Yes.
In our industry, it's a word of mouth only. You can't
Yes,
give
yes.
ad in a paper that I'm an interior designer, I
yes,
need
yes.
a work. But if someone refer you, the client get
Yes.
the
yes.
confidence and you get the work.
And it's all about, I think, karma. So, like, I don't believe in telling lies and all. It should be a transparent process.
True.
They are ready to pay you for good quality. You have to deliver a good project.
100%.
So there should be why to, like, cheat anyone or,
Yeah, there should be no
yes.
manipulation. There should be no
yes.
malpractices, basically.
Yes, yes.
I've seen, I keep following you on your Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
I guess you are more into residential than commercial, if I'm
Yes,
not
yes,
wrong. So
yes.
you have done commercial sites also, or you are purely into residential more?
Yeah, till now we are purely into residential sites.
So looking forward to do any commercial project, or
yes,
totally
if we-
keen about the residential, or happy in that?
I would say ki yes, we are more keen into residential projects. But yes, if we get a chance to explore and get into the commercial projects as well, we will do that.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
that's great. And it's been, if I'm not wrong, you started your practice in 2017. Now
Yes,
it's
yes.
2024. It's almost 7 years.
Yes.
So, what are the challenges you faced while doing the projects? Would you like to share that?
Yes. See, obviously, the timeline, to meet the timelines is a big
Very
challenge.
important.
To deal with the workers and the laborers is a big challenge,
Yeah.
because you have to really handle them, with patience.
Sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt. You look more soft, and it is very tough to handle the labor at the site. How do you deal
Yes.
with that?
To be very honest, I counsel them. If there is some problem, I tell them, see, the client have trusted us. We don't have to, play with their trust. We have to deliver the best quality. Because see, for me, it doesn't work like, कि आप labor के ऊपर चिल्ला रहे हैं. It doesn't work like that. You have to handle in a nice manner. They are also human beings. They have come here.
I totally
to
agreed. But generally, problem होता है if we are unable to meet timelines, client are annoyed.
Right.
And you are into turnkey and consultancy both.
Yes.
So how do you deal with them to meet the timelines? That is what I would like to know.
To be very honest, I talk to the clients if there is some delay in the project, and they also understand, because once when they are seeing the process, when they see the quality, when they see that the work, the final outcome is coming, and the output is coming out to be great, so sometimes they also understand, and they should understand that. And obviously we have to talk to our workers. मैं उनको बहुत समझाती हूँ प्यार से that you have to come there. But yes, this is a big challenge, and I think just not me, everybody faces this challenge, because they also take multiple projects, and they are sometimes
True.
not in the city, and they are human beings, sometimes they are sick. But we need to consider all these things, and we try to deliver projects on time. But sometimes, yes, there are delays and all, but the main thing is that the quality should not get affected.
True.
I mean, even if there is a delay in the project, the quality should not get affected, because that is something, agar quality effect hua, then the client will never forget that.
True.
Yes.
Very true. Delay भी हुआ, लेकिन अगर आउटपुट अच्छा है तो client will be happy, and end of the day will be happy ending.
Yes.
So, like when it comes to interiors, there are n number of products involved, and like you have a lighting, you have a furniture part, you have a space styling area. So what is your USP? कि that Sonia Singla is known for that, कि भाई ये Sonia Singla is master in that. In the interiors also there are n number of departments.
Yes.
So what is your specialization into that?
See, I try to create a balance. Like, for example, if the client's budget is limited, I believe that everything should be balanced. It's not like we are spending the entire amount of money on one specific, product, and rest is, वो इतना quality नहीं है. So I try to tell them, okay, firstly, these are the most important things. The most important requirement should be fulfilled, and the quality should not get affected at all. So when the quality is high, when all of your requirements, basic requirements are getting met, then obviously the other products also comes in the picture, where we can highlight few areas, be it wallpapers, be it textured walls, be it the wooden flooring and everything. So basically, if you talk about my specialty, I'm really fond of fancy lights, I'm fond of curtains and artifacts, all these things. And in terms of woodwork also, I try to create some, there are few styles that you'll see in my work that are being created by me. Like if we talk about the wash basin units and everything, so people make it very basic. I started making it like, they should look like a treat to the eye. So because in a living room, when you have a wash basin area, it should not look basic at all. It should look very lavished, so that your requirement is also fulfilled. On top of that, your utility, when some guests are coming, they don't have to rush to the rooms for washing their hands and all. So there are few things which I have created my own designs and my styles, that if you'll see, okay, you'll come to know, okay, this is my design. And like as we are getting older into this field, we try to create new elements. Like these days, if somebody wants earthy elements, we try to use rattan cane, or there are a lot of things that we can use, like laminated this wallpaper things. So lot of elements we are trying to use in our new projects, so that and we keep on trying things that brings out something different into each and every project. So yeah.
And like listening to you, I can understand one thing. more than profession, interior designing is your passion.
Yes,
That is what
yes.
I feel.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
True.
who is your inspiration in interior designing? Matlab, the interior designer,
Mhm.
any of the designer to whom you take as an inspiration?
See, there are a lot of interior designers. To be very honest, anyone who is doing good work, I look forward. I also see their work. But wherever I feel that the quality is quality and clients' requirements are meeting, and a person is working with good intention, that would be my inspiration. I don't think about it too much. What I feel is that I work upon myself every day, that my intention should be good, and my intention should be like that I should deliver a very, very good project, and it should be their dream home come true. So yeah, I can't tell you any particular name as of now, because I have not given thought, any kind of thought to it. But yes, there are a lot of designers. When I see their work on Instagram, it looks like really nice. Few of them, because they do like residential projects also, commercial projects also, and they have built their brand. So obviously, but yeah, there are a lot of people like जिनका काम मैं admire करती हूँ.
ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट जो आपने एकदम टाइम बाउंड में कंप्लीट कर दिया था विद, मतलब क्लाइंट का ऐसा था कि भाई नीड टू कंप्लीट दिस फ्लैट इन द गिवन टाइम, इट इज हार्डली 3 months time or a 6 months time? Do you remember any of that project? You would like to share something about that project?
Yes, mostly the projects we, the timeline we take is 4 to 5 months.
Great.
But to be very honest, if the requirements are less, then only we can say yes, okay, this would be completed within 3 months or something.
Yeah.
But if the requirements are more, we will because it should be practical. When agar aap kam time mein complete karenge, the quality will get affected.
Yes.
Okay, so we tell them that okay, it is not possible to complete this thing into 3 months, because these days in communities, carpenters are not allowed to stay after 6 p.m. and all that. No worker is allowed to stay.
Yeah.
So basically it's not possible. If the project has detailing, if it is a detailed project, if it includes everything like fall ceiling, electrical, woodwork,
Definitely.
painting,
Interior,
and then decoration part, it's not possible to finish a project within 3 months these days.
Yeah.
So we tell them, it might take some time. We don't give false promises, because I have seen people doing false promises, then taking the project, and then taking more time to complete it. But yes, whatever timeline we give, we try to complete our projects within that timeline.
That's nice.
Yes.
And how do you find our magazine A&I?
Yeah, that is a great magazine, obviously. That has given us a platform to showcase our work. And obviously, we keep on seeing other designers also who are doing fantastic work. And, obviously we learn a lot from their work as well. So it's a fantastic platform. You are, giving platform to interior designers to come forward and, share their thought process.
Very true. Thank you. And 8th edition, we got a chance, as I said in the starting of the podcast, we got the chance to feature your site. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I feel fantastic. Obviously, if you're getting a platform, you are, there is nothing, better than this. So I feel awesome, and thanks to you, A&I, for, featuring me into their edition.
We are thankful to you for that. You have given us the content to publish in our magazine. Looking forward to get associated with you, Sonia. It was so nice of you, so great interacting with you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah.
And I would like to add one more thing.
Please.
You can add it.
Yeah. Please.
So basically, we have done a lot of projects. What we have earned through our, practices, or the way we are working is, honestly, I have earned blind trust of people.
That is important.
So that makes me more responsible. When someone is trusting me blindly, that makes me more responsible.
Our responsibilities increase.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I have executed, I think, 8 to 9 projects which are completely done in zero client presence, because my clients were staying in USA. They know, okay, they are so rest assured that okay, if Sonia is there, she'll handle everything. So that is,
You have gained that trust by your work.
yes, and the projects, the project that you are going to, you know, feature in the magazine also, that project is also done in zero client presence, because he was staying in USA and they just told me their requirements and they just left it on me. Okay, you just, you know, do whatever best you can do for our house.
That's matlab, you have gained that trust in this your 8 years journey basically.
Yes.
Fine. Thank you so much, Sonia. It was great talking to you, great interacting with you.
Yeah,
Hope
thank you.
to get associated with you in
Yes,
the future
yes.
also. Thank you.
Thank you.